Question number 8 is a check-in with scientific notation. Just do we know what that form of writing down numbers looks like, and can we manipulate numbers that are written in that form? Kind of. So the first problem asks us to multiply two numbers, and those numbers are indeed written in scientific notation. Um, the thing is because this is all multiplication, right? It's 3 times 10 to the negative third times 3.2 times 10 to the eighth. I can commute these values around. So I know just the 10 to the negative third times 10 to the eighth power is going to be 10 to the fifth power. So I don't know if that's my final answer, but so far these two things together, 10 to the negative third and 10 to the eighth, do give me 10 to the fifth. When I multiply 3 times 3.2, I think I get 9.6. In fact, I'm positive I get 9.6. But because 3 times 3.2, because I'm taking a test and I want to get it right, I'm just kind of verifying that. Oh yeah, 9.6, great. So 9.6, right, that number, right, does meet the requirements for scientific notation, right? It has just this leading digit. It's a number that's definitely greater than 1. It's equal to 1, or it's greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. That's the thing. So my answer would be 9.6 times 10 to the fifth power, even though I don't like how I wrote that fifth. So this is it. The next one, a lot of you missed this, and I think the confusion was you perhaps maybe thought you saw 10 to the third over 10 to the third and decided that was just the number 1. But if we have 10 to the third divided by 10 to the negative third, right, this is, I'm going to destroy this negative exponent by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 10 to the third. So in my denominator now I've got 12 times 10 to the sixth power, and then that's the numerator rather, and in the denominator I just have 5 times 10 to the 0, which is 5 times 1, which is just 5. So still not the answer that I want, but I'm just going to take the 12 and divide that by 5, and I get it's like 2.4. So my answer is 2.4 times 10 raised to the sixth power. So be real careful. If you see something like this, right, don't be inclined to think that's the number 1, because that's not the number 1. That's 10 to the sixth power. It's a very, very large number. For sure, if you did have, 10 to the third over 10 to the third, of course that's equal to 1, but that's not what we had. So this is the answer for part A and the answer for part B.